Hello, Algebra 1 students, for Mr. Fry. I'm taking a look at this this little mean, median, mode. Well, just mean and median, and dot plot and all that kind of stuff. For how many hours of TV do you watch per week? And this is 8th period's info. This is 2nd period's info. This is kind of a bad printout, so want to take the data from 2nd period. This is the data. So you have 77, 15, 34, 4, 20, 0, 8, no, 0. Well, yeah, I guess 0 would be it. 8, 10, 1, 80, 2, 4, and 3. All you're going to do is you're going to take these, you're going to put dots, you could create a chart if you're in 2nd period like this for the dot plot, and you could go 0, 10, 20, just go by tens, and then start plotting your dots. Like you had one at 80, one at 77, 15 would be right in between 10 and 20, and so on. You had one at 0, you had one at 1. You just put dots right where they go. If you have more than one, did we have more than one? You would put them just right above each other. In period 8, we had more than one a couple of times, a couple of 7s, a couple of 8s, a couple of 30s, so you just stack them on top of each other. So if you're in period 8, you use this data, and you're going to have to pause it to get all those numbers. And then we did ours in period 8 by 5s. Started at 5 and went up by 5 to create a dot plot. Kind of helps you answer some of the further questions. The mean, median, the mean, what we did was we added all these up and we divided by how many we added up. So that would be, add all these up, 77 plus 15 plus 34 plus, and so on. And then get that answer in your calculator, and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Divide by 13. That gives you the mean. 19.6 you could have, or 19.6.1, or 19.61, I meant to say. The median is when you put these in order, you will be able to figure out which one's in the middle. So you'll have 6 on each side, and which one's in the middle. And the 5 ended up, and this is how you did it. This is how it was done. You put them in order from least to greatest, and the one that's in the middle, there's 6 on this side, 6 on this side, boom, that one's in the middle, 5. Same thing for this group from 8th period. When you're finding the middle, you're finding the median. And we added all of them up, and then divided by 13, whatever that was, divided by 13, ended up getting 21.23 or 21.2 if you're just going to the nearest tenths. All right, this one, the mean is larger and slightly right skewed because, 21's the median, 21.2, so there's slightly more to the left, so lower on the right, so right skewed slightly. It's pretty evenly distributed. This one, if it's the median's 5, so the larger one is going to be the mean, 19. So 19 is way up here, so definitely a lot more to the left, so it's going to be, to the right, it's going to be right skewed, much more than 8th period. Okay, there was in the back. So what you had to do for number 5 is to add in Mr. Fry's information. 8, when you add to the list, 8, so you just took all that information from the back. If you're in 2nd period, you're going to take all of these, whatever it added up to, add 8 to it, and then divide by 14. For 8th period, we added it all up and divided by 14. We ended up getting 20.28 or 20.3. And the median shifted to 18.5. There was 2 in the middle, so you had to add them up and divide by 2 and end up getting 18.5. I think it was 18 and 19. So the middle would be 18.5, something like that. Same thing with this. You would add 8. You would put your 8 right here. So you actually have 2 in the middle now. So 5 plus 8 would be 13 divided by 2 would be 6.5. So your new second period's new medium is 6.5. That's second period. Okay. When you're finding this, I want you to go ahead and work on this a little bit. This is the same for both classes. You're taking all of this data. Each class had the same data. I went ahead and put it in order for you so that you can interpret this a lot easier. And to find the median, you're going to find the middle. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to have 7 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the median. Boom. So you would say interpret this value in context. That means there are 20 students. Do students watch more TV in smaller cities? Here are TV times for 15 in big cities. So this is, there's the median. There's the median number of students in big cities. The median amount of hours they watch TV is 20. That's how you would explain that. And then calculate the mean. You're going to add all these up and then divide by, what did I say, 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 15. So add all these up, get that in your calculator, hit equals, and then divide by 15. That's for both second and eighth period. And then which is higher, the mean or the median? And you're just going to put that answer there. So hopefully this helps. And hopefully that gets all your answers to all your questions. If you have any further questions, just let me know. Thanks.